Write down the condition on x so that the expression of the given binomial is valid. Why? How it is valid? This we have to tell it. Now the given expression is 13 plus 1 upon ax raised to power minus 3 by 4. To this we can write it 13 1 plus 1 upon 13a with x whole the power minus 3 by 4, and further this can be written as 13 raised to power negative of 3 by 4 with 1 plus 1 upon 13a x raised to power minus 3 by 4. Now, the expression is valid only when absolute for 1 upon 13ax is less than 1. Now, x is less than 13a. Okay. Now, when negative of 13a is less than x is less than positive of 13a, this is the answer.